Hi guys! It's me again, Aran, and welcome back to the channel. Gusto ko sana kayong gulatin ng hi guys! Guys, pero ako yung nagulat. Sobrang extra ko na naman today. Ito na naman po ako. We're up for an unboxing video, guys, ng BAEKHYUN'S Bambi Photobook version. I'm super excited to receive this album. So, alam niyo lang guys, sabay ko po itong in-order sa Shopee, pero magkaibang seller siya nung jewel case version natin. Kasi guys, alam niyo naman ako, sobrang dun ako sa affordable. Kaya naghanap ako ng set na affordable na jewel case and nito guys. Actually, yung seller nito, ang alam ko, meron din siyang jewel case. It's just that, mas lower yung price nung nakuha ko yung jewel case version na yun guys. So, check niyo yung unboxing natin na yun guys. So, ito po, ayan guys, sealed pa yan as you can see. And I appreciate na si seller nag-send ng video na pinapakita niya yung condition ng album, nung pinapackage niya, nilalagay niya ng bubble wrap, and everything. And bago niya po ipadala. Although nga, it took a very long process before it get here. Pero, ang importante, it arrived. Guys, so meron po siyang freebie na Kyungsu photo card-ish, guys. Which magkakaroon din siya, guys. Magre-release din siya, diba? Right? Or, hindi ko alam kung ano mauna, kung itong video natin or yung pag-release niya, guys. Pero, I'm also excited to have one. XOL loves. And, eto guys, may ganito pa rin kasama. May dalawa pa pong mga pa-freebies. Shimin and Suho. Which is super cute. Guys, sabi ko nga doon sa unboxing natin, OMG, but walang bake yun. Gusto ko rin sana may bake yan. Ang arte ko, guys. Pero, yeah, thank you kay seller for doing this. Ramdam niya rin, guys, na love din natin ng EXO. Guys, so, this is yung Bambi Photobook version and this one is the Night Rain version. So, unahin natin is itong Bambi. Guys, nag-isip pa ako. So, ayun guys, it's super sealed. So, aalisin muna natin yung pagka-seal niya. Aalisin yung pagka-seal. Hindi ko alam guys kung paano. I don't wanna damage our photobook version. Actually guys, nagulat ako nung dumating siya kasi ang ina-expect ko ay sobrang laki niya based dun sa mga photos online. I thought na sobrang laki niya. Pero sakto lang pala yung size niya guys. Hindi katulad nung ibang mga solo photobook guys na ang lalaki, diba? Pero I'm expecting na ganun siya kalaki. Pero buti na lang po, saktong-sakto yung... Ooh, I love yung effect guys dun sa sleeves niya. It's clear sleeves. Ooh, wow. So ito po yung front. Which is, I love yung effect na may mga fish. Naalala ko yung aquarium namin before. Okay, so wala lang. Very random. The back, the side, ayan na po. Nag-umpisa na yung mga aso namin na magwala, guys. Okay, so tanggalin na natin yung sleeves. Ooh, OMG, guys, yun yung sleeves. Ang cute ng sleeves. I loved it. Yeah. Okay. So, medyo ano lang siya, guys. Tupi lang yung upper portion niya. Pero, okay. Guys, okay. Ayan, okay. So, this is yung front ng photobook and the back. Ooh, I love the BAEKHYUN third mini album Bambi, which I super love. And the spine. Okay, guys. So, check na natin ito. Chanel, OMG. Ang cute talaga ni BAEKHYUN. Oh, I love yung quality and texture nung photobook. Parang naglalaban yung glossy and matte. Guys, ako lang naman to. Pasensya po. Plus, I love... OMG, guys. OMG. I love that photo, guys. I'm super excited to receive and to unbox this one, guys. I actually received it yesterday pa. Pero, I don't have the energy to unbox it. Kasi maggagabi na, guys. As in, hinabol ko lang talaga na ma-unbox ko siya for our haul video. Which I don't know kung kailan ko ipopost. Pero hindi ko pa kasi na-edit yun, guys. Pero, grabe na to. Plus, I love the effect na parang may tape dito na nilagay sila, guys. Pero sa picture lang po yun. Kahit intense ka tumingin, you're super adorable as always, Bacon. Super excited kasi na-curious na ako kung ano yung mga pictures na nandito sa mga photobook version dahil dun sa ating jewel case version, guys. Ooh. I love it, guys. Oh, gee. I love these photos. Lahat ng photos dito, guys, I super loved it. Grabe siya, guys. Plus, gusto ko rin ng ganitong outfit. Guys, aka lang ta. OMG, guys. Super, super cute. And naalala ko tuloy yung guys, yung video, yung ASMR ba yun? Nung may slime, naglalaro siya na smile. Sobrang cute niya dun, guys. Grabe siya. Oo, grabe yun, guys. I super love that one. Check nyo yun kung hindi nyo pa yun napapanood, guys. And speaking of napapanood, we already did several... Ooh. OMG, ang cute nito, guys. I actually did several reaction videos to BAEKHYUN'S. Ooh! From glossy, na-glossy talaga, guys. Now is a matte finish na. Ooh! So, kaya nasabi ko naglalaban yung glossy dito sa very first. Pero it's glossy pala talaga, guys. Kasi ito yung matte. Guys. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ako. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, I'm a little extra. Plus, I love these poses from BAEKHYUN, guys. These photos. Ooh! OMG, guys. I think I found another wallpaper in the making. I love this effect na parang Polaroid. Guys, nabubulol-bulol na ako. Ganyan yung effect sa akin ni BAEKHYUN. Sobra ako na-excite. Ito, guys, yung cover ng Dreamy, right? Which is, guys, I loved it. Sana may ganito akong poster, no? Or ganito yung pillowcase natin. Guys, pwede magpa-customize. Comment down below. I love these photos. I love this one and this one, guys. OMG. I love the concept, guys. I love the photos. In short, I love BAEKHYUN. I'm pretty sure kayo din. You love BAEKHYUN so much. And yeah. Wala na akong nasabi, guys. Na speechless na ako. Kasi grabe naman itong mga photos sa ni BAEKHYUN. I love every photo of him. And ito yung concept na favorite ko, guys. I guess. So, ito yung favorite na concept ko. Kasi, as in, lahat ng photos niya dito, sobrang favorite ko. Yeah. OMG, guys. Oh, OMG. I love these poses and photos. And, ang cute, guys. Ang cute. Parang ako lang yun, guys. Kapag nakatambay ako sa kama. Pero, kailan ba yun? Kailan ba ako nakakatambay ng ganun lang sa kama, guys? With a lot of things I'm doing. I'm extremely busy, guys, these days. Yup. Kaya nga minsan nalilito na rin ako. Anong oras ba ako natutulog? Guys, char. Ooh. So, that's the photo book, guys. Medyo bumuka lang yung taas niya. Anyways. Let's go. Ooh, guys. May dalawa yung poster. So, may poster, guys. So, this one. Malaki lang po yung poster. Hindi siya kasya sa screen. I love it. May pa poster, guys. Pero nasa yung mga photo cards, guys? I'm wondering. So, this is the front. Extra ko. And then, this is the back. Ano yung favorite nyong music dito, guys? Comment down below. Ako talaga, sa Bambi na album, I love Bambi. I love Cry for Love and Privacy and All I Got and Love Scene. Pero guys, yung most favorite ko talaga when it was first released is yung Amusement Park, which is OMG. I super loved it. Ooh, this is from the Bambi. Pasensya naman po. Grabe yung excitement ko kapag kasi si BAEKHYUN yung pinag-uusapan. He's one of my ultimate biases, guys. He's my vocal king. Yeah. Ito siya sa mga vocal favorite ko and loves. Guys, grabe siya. Actually, before, hindi pa ako aware sa mga name nila. Nanonood na ako ng mga videos ng EXO and yeah, before. Pero hindi pa ako into that deep EXO-L mode Pero guys, grabe, when I was introduced to Super M, na-curious ako lalo sa kanila. And yeah, eto na guys, sobrang love na natin si Baekhyun. And pasensya na po, nag-uumpisa nang magwala yung mga alaga namin. Ooh, wow! I love this photo. Nakita niyo ba guys? Yeah. Here's the CD. Ang cute talaga guys ng mga CD nila this time. So, parang naiisip ko, gusto kong bumili ng mga unsealed nito, tapos yung CD ay papa-frame ko. Guys, ako lang siguro yun. Tapos, may SM ad. Tapos guys, merong postcard na yellow yung back, which is so cute. Ooh! I loved it. Guys, kahit naman anong ilabas dyan na Baekhyun, I loved it. Tapos may parang photo strip-ish, which is one of my favorite concept. Ito guys, nakikita nyo ba? Ooh, OMG guys, it looks so cute. Okay, ayun na po yung mga alaga namin. Nagwawala na naman po sila. And merong clear card, which is so cute din. Kasya kaya to sa 9 pocket sleeves. Parang hindi guys, right? And medyo may parang tape siya. Pero ang cute. Plus, ito yung second favorite concept ko niya. And dito na tayo sa photo card, guys. The moment of truth. In 1, 2, 3. Ooh, OMG, guys. Finally, I got this photo card. I'm super wanting to have this photo card of him, guys. Grabe siya. Thank you naman po. So, this is yung Night Train version front and the back. Ooh. And the side and the other side. Listen na natin yung sleeves. Okay. So, ito po yung sleeves niya. Parang frosted with greenish vibe with parang water effect siya, guys. Yep. Okay. So, photo book na tayo, guys. Wala naman dito yung mga photo cards. So, this is the front. And the back. Ooh. Ganun din siya, guys. May Baekhyun's mini album Bambi rin siya dito. Inside. Okay. So, check na natin, guys. Bibilisan ko na lang to kasi ayaw talagang tumigil, guys, yung mga alaga namin. So, maririnig nyo yung mga tahol nila. Hindi tayo matatapos, guys, unboxing. Kasi wala. Ganun talaga. Anyways, grabe naman. Let's enjoy yung... Ooh, I love the effect. Blurred effect. Enjoy na lang natin itong pagtingin sa mga photos ni Baekhyun. Nakabuhok ko siya, guys. Parehas kami ng buhok dito. Guys, parehas na mahaba yung buhok. Plus, I love the night concept siya. Although, mas favorite ko talaga, guys, yung mga day, outdoor, and yung mga cute vibe concept. Pero this one, kahit anong Baekhyun concept yan, guys. Grabe naman. Guys, ang adorable naman po. And I'm excited kung anong photo card yung makukuha natin kasi na-set up na po natin yung binder natin. I don't know kung na-post ko na siya or kung napanood nyo na, guys. Kung hindi pa, ilalagay ko yung link ng video na yun somewhere. And also yung ating unboxing ng jewel case version na Dreamy and Misty ni Baekhyun. And magsisearch na ako ng mga photo cards for our collection. Or sa tingin nyo, guys, bumili na lang tayo ulit ng mga sealed pa. Guys, what do you think? Comment down below. And speaking of comment down below, kung meron kayong mga suggestions ng mga music ni Baekhyun na gusto nyo gawin natin na reaction. This time, guys, ang difference is dun sa first version na binuksan natin, yung first part is yung glossy. And this time, yung first part naman is yung matte. Guys. Tapos yung other portion naman, other half naman, yung glossy. Which is, parang may sneak peek na ako na, guys, na ito yung sinabi kong second favorite concept ko dito sa album niya na to. Which is, grabe naman po. Yeah, guys. And I was really happy. I got a photo card of him in this one. I wish I could have yung photo card niya dun sa favorite kong concept. Guys, ang cute naman po. OMG. Because I love na parang may mag-glitters siya sa buhok, guys. I loved it. I liked it, guys. Ooh. Grabe to nung unang nirelease yung mga teaser photos, guys. Kinaya nyo na ba agad yun? Ako hindi. Hindi ko kinayan agad-agad. I liked it. Ooh, OMG. Grabe yung pagka-glossy niya, guys. Ooh. Pasensya na, medyo mabilis na tayo ngayon mag-unbox nito guys. Kasi medyo tumitigil na, medyo kumakalma na sila. Hindi pa pala. Sumagot siya. Hindi pa kami kalmado. So, ayan guys. At least meron silang cameo sa ating unboxing. Pasensya na po. Huwag ko kayo magalit sa kanila. Love po nila kayo. Guys. Ooh. Okay. So, dun tayo sa folded posters. So, may dalawa guys. Baliktad pala guys. Sorry naman po. So, this one. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-store itong mga folded poster guys. OMG. Wala na akong poster tube. Nagulat ako guys kasi pag angat ko guys, nakita ko guys, nakala ko naka-tape siya. Sabi ko, OMG, may Polaroid. Guys, asensya naman. Nagiging extra kineme lang. Ooh, I love it. Great job, Esnema, for this one. This is the front of the lyric booklet. And the back. Ooh. OMG, I loved it. And let's scan it na guys. Grabe naman pong visual yan guys, right? As in, grabe siya. I loved it guys. At talagang literal na may glitters. At talagang it's shiny. It's sparkling. Ooh, Bambi. Grabe guys. Super love BAEKHYUN. As in. Hopefully, sana magkaroon na ako ng strength and the budget to finish yung ating photo card collection guys ni BAEKHYUN. I really want to na makumpleto yun guys. Hopefully. Yeah. Try natin dito sa Bambi kasi wala tong Kino guys eh. Diba? Try natin guys. Medyo kinakabahan nga ako nung nirelease nila yung jewel case. Sabi ko, OMG, baka mamaya magkaroon ng Kino. Hindi ko kakayanin guys. Ooh! Different siya guys. Parang water splashed na glass. Oo guys, yung type ng CD. Ayun guys, diba? Parang nabaksa ka ng tubig. Parang ganun siya guys. And next is the SM ad na personalized. Kasi may Bambing nakasulat. Guys, personalized na yan. And then yung postcard 1, 2, 3. Ooh! OMG, ang cute naman ni BAEKHYUN guys. And then may photo strip again with my favorite concept once again. Wait lang guys. Parehas lang ba siya? Isa lang ba yung photo strip guys? Kasi I guess parehas yung nakuha ko. Right? Isa lang ba siya? Hindi ba siya random? OMG. I don't know guys. I'm not so sure. And then meron tayong clear card. Which is medyo may weight siya ng konti compared dun sa first one. Sa photo card. And guys, yung favorite ko naman na concept, itong dalawa. Hindi ko sure whether I will also collect yung clear cards ni BAEKHYUN. Pati yung yung special AR clip card. I'm not so sure. Pero, yeah, let's see. Okay, and the photo card, the moment of truth. Pag pala photo book version, black lang yung likod. Tama ba, guys? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, ang cute nito, guys. Ang cute niya dito. OMG. Ito po, ang cute niya, guys. Wow. And that's it for our unboxing of BAEKHYUN'S Bambi photobook versions na Night Rain and Bambi. And ito po lahat ng pulls ko, guys. I'm super excited for my photo cards kasi I'm gonna be starting my photo card collection of Bambi. Guys. So, yeah. Konti na lang. May 4 na ako. So, 4 na lang. Guys. And hindi ko sure whether I'm gonna start collecting din tong mga clear card, pero let's see. And sana po na-enjoy niyo yung video natin, and if you do so, don't hesitate to give our video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to be notified for our future videos. And sana po ay i-follow nyo rin ako sa mga social media accounts ko sa Instagram and sa Twitter. Yung mga account handles po, makikita nyo po sa description natin sa baba. And check nyo po yung Twitter page ko, guys, kasi most of the time dun ako nag-update at nag-a-announce ng mga giveaways. And that's it. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama, Randies. God bless, stay safe, stay healthy, stay active, enjoy life, always be happy, and enjoy the music of BAEKHYUN. Stream lahat ng music niya, guys, sa mga digital streaming platforms. And if you have extras, I hope you also check yung album niya. And see you sa mga susunod pa nating mga videos. Bye-bye! Bambi, Bambi, Bambi.